Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I will show you how to cook white soup. This is yam. Already boil with the chicken. Chicken and dry fish. Get fish, no? Dry kuralaga. These two ingredients I have to mix. Then itu chicken to cook kuribula pani no fry, okay? Pani fry cook the ingredients to onion halishe. Chili powder, halishe red chili powder plus king chili powder and turmeric powder and salt and Maggi cube. These are the ingredients. Then I'll put water and cook. It's a simple. Pani halishe. Ingredients kan dolop mix kor jode. Aru yam tu kuchu tu inaga boil kori loshe. Boil korina jamara tu philai loshe de. Aru we have to smash this one. Yam tu inaga mehen kori loshe. Smash kori loshe. So we have to put later. After chicken cook. Chicken is still cooking in process because this is not a boiler or boiler chicken. This is hard chicken. Local nishna, yes, local chicken nishna. And my yam is ready to go inside the pot. I already smashed. We'll put later this one. Ito fish to korom pani para alop soak kuri ase. Ito tulai dibo aru dibi try prawns bi. Ito nahali bone ki bi bhabise to prawns to bi ito halile aru bi she tasty hoy. This I already put the dry prawns. Chicken is done, so I will put the dry fish. Dry fish is done too. एक बार अपने हम भी इतु निशना भी बना खाई सभी ingredients तो ना कौन निशना इतु yam kaju और chicken और dry fish dry prawns और भी पत्ता खान हाली वाला ऐसे दे. We have to put at last any dry leaves or any fresh leaf you can put also. See, I'm going to put this. It's from Nagaland. I don't know in English. I don't know probably tingap एक तो tingap पत्ता से tinga से जंगल लगाना और दूसरा भी जंगल लगा से itu halus dua last ya itu alias ya. पुनी खान, दीदी खान, आंटी खान, अम्मा खान एक बार अपनी ला फैमिली के इनका बनाने खिला से तो rarely they will appreciate you. Okay, this curry is A1 है होशिते है perfect. It's perfect. So for today the ingredient, the curry is done. So make it for your family one time. Let them try and let me know.